Hi my bumblebees, it's Ethony and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Moon for October 2020. She's heavy, so I'm really excited to see what is inside the box and what the goodies that the Witch's Moon have packed in this month. Hecate, Hecate, Hecate. If you do not know Wendy Rule, who is an Australian witch and artist, go check her out. Wendy Rule, R-U-L-E, and she has a song called Hecate, and that's what I was just singing. Okay, so we have our card, and I got forgiveness, hurt blocks our light. We have the Keeper of the Keys, and this is written by G. Ibis, Book of Shadows, Incantation and Work. I'm going to go through this after. Now we have this stunning Hecate information, Book of Shadows artwork, and look at all of the info on here. We've got origin, invocations, botanical stones, liminal spirits, magical properties, elements, colors, symbols, emblems, Theban. It is amazing. So I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of Hecate stuff in here. Something is telling me. Okay, so we have Yerba Santa, which is fantastic. I was running out of this in my apothecary. We have poppy seeds and dandelion root for the herbal cabinet. Ooh, ooh la la la. Okay. Whoa, crap! Things are falling everywhere. Shite. Come on, Ethony. Get it together. Salt's Cord Crossroads. Oh my. So, oh, she smells magic. And I recently got to have a ritual bath. I used one of the salt from the Witch's Moon, and I felt so unbelievably magical after. My whole aura was tingly, and it was just really, really beautiful. There's definitely mugwort or sage in there, or a little bit of both, but we'll see whether I was right or not. I have a feeling this is black tourmaline. Let's look at the purple. Oh yeah, she's definitely a tumbled black tourmaline. You can never get enough. Witch tip, you can never get enough of black tourmaline, ever. Black tourmaline is so good for so many things. Protection, it's a great boundary stone, block negative energy and dispels it. It's a nice grounding stone too. It's phenomenal. We have Hecate, magical anointing oil. Oh. Wish you had smellogram. I think I say that every single time, but that is phenomenal. We have torches of ash, ritual incense. Y'all know I'm gonna sniff it. Sniff it good. Sniff it. Take a step and sniff it. That's really lovely. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. She gorgeous. Now, of course, we have a beautiful black candle, but it's got purple glitter on it. I love purple. Purple and black. Forever. Oh my God, that is amazing. Look at that candle with the key in it. I can't even, that's so amazing. Okay, now we're gonna get into whatever is in here. And thankfully, very well wrapped. Oh, wow. It's a box, but it's not just any box, people. It is, wow, a fully lined inside and out Hecate box. That is amazing. This is called Hecate, Keeper of Keys. We have the Hecate Triple Goddess Cold Cast Bronze box. We are thrilled to be able to include such an intricate box, providing such deep symbology and meaning during Samhain season. Hecate in all of her forms has the ability to guide and direct spirits that wander upon the darkness of the thinning veil. Hecate holds the deepest and most sought after wisdom connected to the mysteries of the underworld and is gatekeeper. She is commonly depicted as a triple goddess form, which is why we have the triple goddess on there, and the wise woman and crone as well. Unbelievable. So there is a lot of information about Hecate in here, and I'm not going to read all of it because that would be probably a little bit boring for you all, but there is a ton of information about Hecate, which is amazing. Then the Hecate Book of Shadows artwork by A.E. Alden, the hand-rolled and anointed Keeper of the Key spell candle with key token. We've hand-rolled and anointed this candle with the intention of honoring Hecate. This token of the key remove the key and place it near your as it burns. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yes, 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 yes. The keeper of the key candle spell works. This is down here. The anointing oil. So what was in this anointing oil? Patchouli, mugwort, of course, cedar, jasmine. Pretty much my favorite things. Jasmine's my favorite. The Crossroads Sacred Salt. Oh, they had dandelion. I knew it had mugwort in there. I said it, didn't I? I said it. There's definitely mugwort or sage in there, or a little bit of both. Torches, ash, ritual sticks, so the incense. The yerba santa, also known as sacred herb. Dandelion root and poppy seed. The tumble black tourmaline. Nailed it. And your personalized oracle reading, which is from the Lantern Oracle by Angelina Marabito. The parchment paper, which you get. What a phenomenal box of goodies for Hecate. I'm blown away. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to pop this on my altar. I will place a link where you can go and get the Witch's Moon. Simply stunning, and I say it like all the time. A great way to build your cabinet, your witchy supplies, and to use them every month and inspire your practice. Thank you so much for watching, and if you could like this little video, it helps with engagement, and I'll see you all next time.